Hey there food enthusiasts, welcome. Today I'm taking you to Mondoux, one of Dubai's hidden gem nestled in the vibrant heart of Jumeirah Beach Residence. So let's dive into my unforgettable experience. The restaurant is very aesthetically pleasing. The soft glow of ambient lighting and the soothing melody of songs in the background instantly made me feel as though I had been transported to a place of serenity and relaxation. The restaurant has a beautiful live coffee counter which made me have an irresistible craving for coffee. The counter had an innate charm and was meticulously designed and crafted. The restaurant also has a live kitchen which looked very neat and tidy, and let's not forget about their cutest play area for kids. The restaurant's outside sitting also looked very beautiful and comfortable, but obviously Dubai's heat is unbearable, so it's best to sit indoors. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the food. As I looked through the menu, my excitement was mixed with a touch of uncertainty. So after some moments of contemplation, I decided to embrace the unknown and caught the waiter's attention and with a friendly smile inquired about the specialty dish. So guys, I've ordered a vegetable quesadilla. Let's try it now. Well guys, it's a real hit, satisfying my craving while still feeling like a balanced meal. The tortilla is grilled just right, filled with a tasty mix of veggies and melted cheese. Every bite had a nice blend of flavors and textures. It's a dish that makes veggies the star but still feels like a comfort food. I'd say that it's a sure try if you come to Mondoux. And lastly, no dining experience feels complete without a comforting drink to sip on. I opted for a classic cafe latte, a choice that promised a warm and cozy conclusion to my meal. The latte was just perfect following the quesadilla I had. So here comes an end to this video. Mondoux restaurant at JBR truly left an incredible mark on my taste buds and my heart. So if you find yourself in Dubai, make sure you visit this restaurant.